Welcome to 71 Como, brought to you by the listing agent Shane Leakus with the Leakus Group and First Team Realty. $2,988,000. Let's take a look. All right, and as we enter the main entrance here, you're gonna notice the floors here. They got the really nice upgraded rustic wood flooring. As soon as you walk into the house, we take a right-hand turn and we can immediately see, we'll go ahead and take a look back out the property. There's your entry hallway there. And that brings us to bedroom number 1. And again, this property is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage. And we'll take a look from this angle. You can see outside as well. And then this will give you another angle so you can get an idea of the size. Also have your closet there. After you exit here, it then brings you immediately to bathroom number 1. And this is going to be accessible to the entire house. And also right here, we do have additional storage. The understairs storage here. Go ahead and see, it's quite large actually. And now we'll head back into the main hall. And as we walk down, we're gonna see to the right-hand side is gonna be our stairway, which we'll take up and go check out the rest of the bedrooms upstairs here in a moment. But here to the left, we do have our attached 2-car garage. This does have the premium shelving and also does have, so you can see here, the shelves all set up. It does also have the epoxied floor. And as we walk over here, you also get your water heater. So you got the tankless water heater, which those are always really nice. Now we'll head back into the house. We'll go explore the kitchen and the living room and the dining room. So here we have the kitchen. This is a huge island, very, very nice. We've got the granite countertops. Take a closer look here. And off the side of the kitchen as well, we have a little office location here. And we do also have the pantry. Very large walk-in pantry. Store all of your foods, goods, things of that nature. All right, as we walk back into the kitchen from the pantry area, you can see all of the appliances are professionally Gen Air and the upgrade to the max level as well. So you can see here your 6-burner stove, got your griddle there. The owner of this house very rarely uses this house. So as you can see, I mean, this house is still relatively brand new. It does also have the dishwasher, the side-by-side refrigerator, the food warmer, and of course, the microwave. And as we exit the kitchen, we do come over into our master living room here. What's really great about this whole house is the entire house has been put together where everything matches. So you can see your crown molding matches your baseboards, which also matches the built-in entertainment center here in the master living room. This is a very, very large living room. Also, of course, the complete open concept house here. We do also have a very nice large fireplace. Take a look at that. And then, of course, the natural lighting that comes through. There are lights on the home, but the natural lighting that comes through really brighten this place up. Now we'll head over to the dining room here. As you can see, the floor to ceiling windows, letting in all the natural light. Also out here, we have our sliding door, which will bring us into our really nice backyard. And it's very private because you can see the hedges all around your property, keeping that privacy here for you. And when you wrap around, there's a great space to entertain out here. You do have the fireplace over there. That water feature is actually a jacuzzi. And then out here behind the property, it is a private road. So there is no neighbors behind you, which is really, really nice. So go ahead and come over here to our jacuzzi. That's where I'd be spending all my nights, hanging out, enjoying after a long day. Wrap around here. You can also see that the entire side of the home has been turfed with the turf grass. You also have 2 air conditioning units, so split units, one for upstairs, one for downstairs. And then of course, the pool system there for the jacuzzi. Now, as we wrap back around take a look at your fireplace here. And then we'll come around to the other side of the house as well. And over here, you can see just another entryway. And you can also keep your garbage set aside so that way it's not out around the house. As we walk back into the home, we'll now go ahead and explore upstairs. Let's go ahead and close this door and we'll head on up. So by the way, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, if you need any help with your real estate needs, do not forget to go down in the description below. You're gonna find my contact information there. If you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to help or ask for help. We are here for you 100% of the time. So once you get up here to the top of the stairs, top of the landing, we're gonna save the master bedroom for the last part here, but as we take a walk into here, you can see at the top of the landing, it also has a little nook built out here, your little den that you can use for, an office or a library or however you would like to set that up. Take a turn to the left and we have bedroom number 2. If you remember, we had bedroom number 1 downstairs and bedroom number 2 here. Take a look inside. And then let me go ahead and come from the other angle so you can get a full view of the size of this room. Very nice size. And then as you exit this bedroom, we'll come across to bedroom number 3. And we'll come over here. You can actually see this one has the view of the front yard. We'll take the look at this angle here. Wrap back around. And then we'll come over here to the shared bathroom. Let me go ahead and flip this light on. So this does have a double vanity. Does have the section in this room. This one's painted pink, kind of glows, which is interesting right now because of the white cabinets and sink. And then over here you have the deluxe tub and the beautiful flooring here. This house is really, really nice. May want to change the colors to a neutral color there. And then as we come over here as well, on the top of the landing here, we have the laundry room, place for your linens. This is quite the large laundry room, which is nice. And it is always nice to have it on the level where most of your bedrooms are. That way you don't have to be lugging all your laundry up and down the stairs. And now that brings us over to the master bedroom. And we'll go ahead and take a look at this angle here. We'll walk across. And wait till you see the closet in this master bathroom. It is phenomenal. Here you can see the size and the scale of this room. Very large, has a very large king size bed, and it doesn't even take up the whole room. So as we come over here, let's take one look back. There we go. And as we come over here into the master bathroom, over to the right, as soon as you enter, you have vanity number 1, and then you also have your large stand-up shower. And as you come back to the other side, you're gonna notice you have vanity number 2, and then you have your very, very large premium tub here as well. And you've got plenty of light in here so you can enjoy the suds. Have your glass of wine, take a nice bath. Over here, it does have the privacy actual toilet, which is nice. You can close that in case you and your family is getting ready to go out on town. And of course, now we'll walk into our walk-in closet here. And it actually has a second door, which is really nice. So have multiple access points to your closet. And over here you have a little area you could put your mirror set up there to do your makeup if you would like. As you're about to exit the house, you get your final fit check. Make sure you're looking good. Hi everybody, hope you're having a wonderful day. And that is 71 Como here in Laguna Altera. And again, this property is brought to you by Shane Leakis with First Team Realty. And if you do have any direct questions for the listing agent, his contact information also down in the description. Don't hesitate to reach out to him as well. And now we'll go ahead and walk back out and take a look at this beautiful sunshiny day here in Irvine. Also, the amenities in this neighborhood we'll cover as well, and we'll do that next. So here is the amenities. So you do have a pool here in the community as well, which is really nice. You obviously have the restrooms off to the side here. You got the courtyard, the clubhouse, and then you have the full-on pool that you get access to as well. You also have multiple parks within the community, and this one is right next to the pool and right next to the clubhouse.